19 a.m. Been up since 6 a.m. yesterday. We got to be up at 5:30 for breakfast and debriefing. And then, you know, safety sweep, Moto 3 hits the track, and then we kick this weekend off. So it's all good, man. I'm enjoying this shit every step of the way. I just wanted to let y'all know I'm safe, I'm good, I made it, and I'll holler at y'all in a few hours.
Anybody that hasn't signed with their sector chief, we ask you to go over and do that. And
so we here, we made it. It's track marshals everywhere, man. Rider assist marshals, flag marshals, and it's very busy. Not completely organized, but kind of like an organized chaos. But it's all good, man. We're gonna enjoy the hell out of this weekend. I'll keep y'all tuned, okay? Getting on the cherry bus to head to the track. I got my squad. Safety car, getting it.
Look at him go. Woo!
Yes, sir. He's hauling ass.
That you were aware of just how hard he was pushing, and it was a fast race that we had. It's Jamamasi is the man that's crashed, I think, in the first sector. Turn 6.
Wow, you wouldn't think turn 6 would still be in sector 1, would you? But that is how long this track is. So here he is. I'm sure we'll get a look at what actually happened. Not too much damage to his machine though, as he tries to give it a good bump start.
So, good news and bad news. Good news is the weather turned out beautiful. The track is drying up, and they're about to put down some really fast times. The bad news is they're extremely strict about recording. You don't want somebody trying to record and then some shit happens and they're not paying attention, so I get it. But so far so good, bro. Amazing, amazing experience. I can't believe I'm here. Good morning, y'all. So, I'm running a little behind, but it's 5:21 in the morning, Saturday, so it's a busy day. Free practice 3, free practice 4, and qualifying. And then there's some events. So yeah, let's get this day started. I'm feeling refreshed and renewed. I was able to lay my head down on a soft pillow and not have to sleep in the car. So I will holler at y'all in a few. See you at the track.
Mid 209s now, very impressive indeed. Bit of a big crash for Buliga there, then clearly by the scuffs. He's got tyre marks on his back.
What up, y'all? If you made it this far, I just want to say I really appreciate you tuning in, watching. I hope it was as exciting for you as it was for me. It was crazy, man. It just felt like fate, right place at the right time. You know, it was unfortunate that, you know, the riders went down, but everybody was okay. And just the fact that, you know, Rossi'S last time ever racing a Motogp bike in America, and we got to pick it up. It was pretty dope. Anyway, again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I got some behind the scenes, really dope. I think y'all will enjoy it. Later.
We are in the team paddock. Holy, we're in the team box. Holy